Hey, how is it going? In this video, I will present you some deformation solutions that I created for you. The names I gave them are completely arbitrary and based on my personal preference. First, I will start with directional deformation. I presented this information before, but it didn't have normal correction. Now it does, so it can cast shadow correctly. It also allows for extreme deformations without any problems. It also can reflect light correctly, of course. The next one is axis deformation. It involves deforming the world on a single axis. I wrote a script to control different objects with the same shader but different parameters, mainly the texture. Here I can adjust the curvature and the distance, but the distance cannot be less than 0. This is the result of running the project. I really like it. It gives the impression of a small, curved world, similar to Animal Crossing. Horizon deformation is part of a commission I did. The purpose is to simulate a lack of perspective, so the terrain plane cuts off suddenly. It's similar to how all 2D games simulate 3D spaces. I include this rolling shader because it's quite interesting, even though it's not an effect of my own creation. This is the original shader. I updated it to version 4.5 and made some adjustments, such as allowing textures and adding a control script. It's incredible because it reacts to the player position and everything rotates in a perfect circle. This is not the script, everything is controlled by the shader. Spherical. This is one of my favorites. I have seen this effect on mobile devices. Clearly, they don't perform the work required to do this with GDScript. It's just an illusion created with shaders. As you can see, I've created a semisphere and projected the world onto it. The rest I project downwards. This can be hidden with a camera, fog, or a plane simulating the sky. It also reacts to the position of the object. There aren't major changes to twist, but it has to be here. The only difference is that now it allows negative angles to provide a full rotation on both sides. And it looks amazing.